Ninkear A15 Plus, a mid-range laptop that's bursting with potential. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or even a casual gamer, the A15 Plus might just be the perfect fit for you. So, buckle up as we explore 5 compelling reasons why you should seriously consider buying the Ninkear A15 Plus. Let's jump right into the nitty-gritty. This laptop is equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, boasting 8 cores and 16 threads. This powerhouse can handle most everyday tasks with ease, from multitasking with Office applications to browsing the web with a million tabs open. You can even dabble in some light photo and video editing without breaking a sweat. The Ninkear A15 Plus doesn't disappoint when it comes to visuals. You have 2 fantastic display options to choose from. The first is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with a 60Hz refresh rate. This is a great choice for everyday use, delivering crisp and clear visuals for your daily tasks. The Ninkear A15 Plus isn't just about power and visuals, it prioritizes comfort and security too. The backlit keyboard ensures you can work productively even in low-light environments. And for added peace of mind, the integrated fingerprint sensor allows for secure and speedy logins. No matter how many files you throw at it, the Ninkear A15 Plus has you covered. With options ranging from 512GB PCIe 3.0 SSD to a whopping 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, you'll have ample space to store all your documents, photos, videos, and applications. Plus, the PCIe 4.0 SSD offers blazing fast boot times and application loading speeds. Who wants to be tethered to an outlet all day? The Ninkear A15 Plus packs a powerful 69.3 Wh battery that offers up to 8 hours of juice on a single charge. This means you can work, learn, or play on the go without worrying about constantly searching for a power outlet. Why the Ninkear A15 Plus deserves a spot on your shortlist. It's a powerful, versatile, and feature-packed mid-range laptop that offers excellent value for money. Whether you're a student, working professional, or casual gamer, the A15 Plus has something to offer everyone. As always, feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Ninkear A15 Plus. Have you tried it? What are your favorite features? And if you're considering buying one, what questions do you have? Let's get a conversation going. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and discussions. Until next time, happy teching.